We've got Little Montana. That's going to be her nickname. Little Montana, how you doing this morning? You've been a patient of ours in the past, and then you went someplace else for a while, but then like everybody else, they all come back. They come back. They come back. Now, you were a bit overweight. Yeah. And I told you needed to have maybe a procedure to lose some weight.
Yes.
And you said, I'm not listening to that crazy doctor. I'm taking control of my life and I'm going to do something about it. And you lost a bunch of weight, right?
A lot.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Now, you do still have diabetes and you're on Victoza and you're on a medication for your thyroid?
Yes.
Right? Okay. So we're picking up care on those for you this morning. And you're on the Armour thyroid. You're on the natural thyroid, which I think is better for younger people anyway. So that's good. All right. So the problem is, though, you've been doing a lot of exercising. And as we lose weight, we lose cushion. And we begin to expose the bursa or bursae in our body that cushion the joints and the bones. And you are having a lot of pain. Now, we want to keep you active, right? We want to keep exercising. But unfortunately, this hurts. And you've done massage therapy, did you tell me?
Done injections,
massage, yeah. Mm-hmm. And have you seen chiropractor maybe?
Yes.
Okay. So you've done all kinds of things, and it just keeps hurting so much now that it's interfering with your ability to exercise and continue your progress. And so we want to help you along the way. All right, so we've got a couple of issues here. So this is the pelvis, right? This is the back side, the front side of the wall. This is Little Montana. And this is the hip right here. So what we're looking for is the trochanteric bursa, and the spot that hurts the most is what I'm hunting for right now. You're going to help me. Say up, down, left, right from here.
Go up a little.
Up a little bit.
Her and she was
I know.
to jump out.
Right. This one maybe?
Yep.
Okay. All right. So we're going to make a little circle there. Now, there's also the gluteofemoral bursa, which is down here a little bit. And you were really sensitive.
Yeah.
Right about in there?
Right in about that area.
Right there. All right. So even the pen touch, did you see that? Made her jump. So we're going to give you a couple of injections to see if we can't keep you moving. How's that sound?
Okay.
All right, Little Montana. And you're all right if we video you for our friends on YouTube?
Yes.
You want to shout out to anybody?
No.
You just want to shout?
A shot.
I'm about to shout.
Let's get this done.
This is really putting a lot of pressure. It's hurting like right in here.
Okay, we're going to make it quick. Yeah, just being in certain spots can cause the discomfort. All right, we're rolling. Yeah, we had a beautiful video on Friday.
So you're going to feel some cold spray.
She's going to spray right here. Let's go with the top one. All right, so we're going to hit the trochanteric first. Deep breath. And this is a mix of some triamcinolone and 1%. I believe we have plain lidocaine today, right? It's going to be sore, but tomorrow you're going to feel a lot better. Okay, one down. I got that one. Now let's go for the gluteofemoral. Going to be Jean, thank you. Now, this is going to hurt, okay?
Yeah.
There's just no way around it. Little stick. Deep breath. You're doing great. So what you're going to do tonight, about an hour before you go to sleep, go ahead and ice this area really well. Do it for about 20 minutes, okay? Do it about an hour before you go to bed, and hopefully this is going to feel a lot better in the morning. You are a superstar. I know that hurt. Gumby Jean, make sure she gets a sticker.
A lollipop?
No, well, you have diabetes, so no lollipop for you. Thanks for letting us video your procedure for our friends on YouTube.
Oh, you're welcome.
And I hope you're feeling better. Now, you're also having some similar problems on the other side. We want to let this work for a few weeks.
Okay.
You start feeling better, then you're ready to get the other side done. Just let us know and come in and we'll take care of it for you.
Okay, let you know if it's still painful.
Well, if it's still painful, we're going to have some discussions about seeing physical therapy or doing something different, because you can't keep getting cortisone injections when you have diabetes. And really, we did not want to do this, right? You almost talked me into it. Well, the thing is I didn't want to give you the cortisone because I know that can negatively impact your diabetes. But at the same time, we want to keep you active. So really, it's a cost benefit analysis when we give somebody with diabetes cortisone. Okay. So in your particular case, I really felt like it's in your benefit to keep you active, especially since you've lost a lot of weight, and I want to see you continue in that direction.
Okay.
Okay. Get better. All right.
Thank you.
You bet. Bye bye.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day. I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.